Welcome in Module 1. Before you touch a single AI tool, I want to talk about the thing that separates people who get real results from AI from the people who quit after a week. It's not which tool you use. It's not even your prompts yet. It's how you think about what AI actually is. Get this right, and everything else gets 10 times easier. Get it wrong, and you'll spend months fighting the tools. So let's get it right. Lesson 1. AI is a creative partner, not a replacement. Most people treat AI like a vending machine. Put in a prompt, get a finished product, done. That's not how this works. If it were, everyone would be doing it, and none of it would stand out. The people winning with AI treat it like a partner. Fast, nearly unlimited knowledge, never tired, but it still needs direction. And that direction comes from you. Think of a brilliant assistant who's never met your audience, doesn't know your voice, until you teach them. So instead of "write me a caption," you say, "Here's my voice, here's my audience, here's the goal. Now give me 3 options. One's a vending machine, the other's a partnership." And that shift is the difference between content that gets lost and content that sounds like you. Lesson 2. The biggest mistake beginners make. Someone discovers AI, gets excited, generates non-stop, every day. 6 weeks later, their account looks like 100 others. Generic captions, stock images, no identity. Engagement, flat. What happened? They used AI to replace the thinking instead of amplify it. AI is exceptional at execution, fast, tireless, high volume. But execution without direction just gives you a mountain of forgettable content. The people who stand out do the thinking first. Their pillars, their audience, their voice. Then they bring AI in to execute it. So remember this. AI amplifies whatever you bring it. Bring it nothing, it amplifies nothing into a whole lot of nothing. Bring it a clear vision, and it amplifies that into more than you could ever make by hand. Lesson 3. The Content Engine. Across this course, we're building a repeatable system. Ideas in one end, consistent on-brand content out the other, with AI doing the heavy lifting. That's your content engine. 4 parts. Strategy, who you are and who you serve. Ideation, what to say. Creation, the AI execution. System, the weekly process that keeps it running. Every module builds one piece. 2. Your strategy. 3. Your tools. 4. Ideation and writing. 5. Visuals. 6. Ties it into a system that runs, mostly, on its own. A real example. The company behind this course runs an AI lifestyle character with a real audience. She didn't get there from random luxury content. It started with strategy. A clear identity, defined pillars, a consistent voice. Then AI executed it at scale across every platform. Strategy first, execution second. That order matters. And it's the order this course follows. Your action step. Complete the content engine self-assessment in your workbook. 3 questions. 1. If someone described your content in 1 sentence, what would they say? If it's "I don't know," that's normal, and it's what Module 2 fixes. 2. The last thing you made that you were proud of, what made it different? 3. Picture your content a year from now. What's changed? Hold on to those answers. Recap. AI is a creative partner, not a replacement. The direction comes from you. The big beginner mistake is skipping the thinking. Volume, but nothing memorable. And everything here builds one thing, your content engine. Strategy, ideation, creation, system. Strategy always comes first, which is exactly where we're headed. Module 2, your content pillars and your niche. I'll see you there.